Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and healthy. In this video, I'll be telling you how to auto-generate certificates using Microsoft Word. First, you need to design a certificate in Microsoft Word, or you can use any template. In that, you just need to find out what all things you need to auto-generate in your own certificate. For example, in my certificate, I need a name, a class, the position, and which is the competition and when it is held. For this, first I need to create a Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, I need to give these headings like name, class, position, competition, and held on. These headings are very important for creating a certificate, and the data is already there in my Excel sheet. Going back to the Microsoft Word, after creating, you need to click on Mailings. In Mailings, go to Start Mail Merge from the mailing ribbon, and in Start Mail Merge, you need to click on Normal Word Document. When you click there, after this, you need to click on Select Recipients. In Select Recipients, you need to click on Use Existing List. After clicking on Use Existing List, you need to select your Excel file from the folder wherever you have saved your Excel file, which you have already created for your certificate. So here I have created an Excel file named as Certificate Trial 1, so that I need to open. After opening that file, this dialog box will appear. From here, I have to click on Sheet 1 and press OK. Now, after doing that, you need to click on Insert Merge Fields and put your cursor wherever you want these field names to be. Like for example, here my cursor, if you see, I wanted a name to be there. So it will be, this is to certify that whatever the name of the participant. So I need to click on the name field from mail merge field of class. Then I'll be clicking on the class as a merge field, and has been awarded. Again, I need to click on the position, and then in competition, the name of the competition should come there. So I just need to put my cursor there and select those fields, and then last as held on. So likewise, wherever I wanted, I can see that in my certificate. Like here, if you see, it is showing me the name, the class, position, and the competition, and held on. All these things it has picked up from my Excel file. After doing all this, we need to click on Preview Results. When we click on Preview Results, we can see all the results, how they are appearing on our certificate. So if you need to do minor changes, you can do that. Otherwise, you don't need to do anything there. So if you see here, my certificate says this is to certify that Neelu of class 6 Lovedale has been awarded second position in Hindi debate competition held on, this is 6th month 21st and 2021. So it has taken this format because I have written it like this. So it has shown me, it has picked up all the details from my Excel file and it's ready to showcase. Now here, after finishing this, we need to click on Finish and Merge. When we finish and merge the certificates, you can see all the records by selecting the arrows on the top. This is the 4th record I have opened. So you can see all the records, whatever the names you have entered in the Excel file, you can see that. Now after that, when you click on Finish and Merge, you need to click on Print Documents. Why we wanted to print documents? Because we wanted to save them as PDF files. This dialog box will come. For merge to printer, you can select all. You will get this dialog box again. Here you just need to see that Microsoft or whatever PDF you have, it is selected, and then simply select on OK. And then whatever name you wanted to give to your file, you can give the file name. Like here I have given as PDF certificates on my desktop, so it will be saved on my desktop, and then the PDF is ready on my desktop. Now one more thing which you can do, like suppose I have entered only the 5 records, so the complete PDF of all 5 pages will be appearing there. If you wanted to send it to individuals, then you can split your PDFs using PDF editors and then save them with different names, and then you can send it to different individuals. I hope this has benefited you. Thank you so much.